Have you ever wanted to grow your own fresh fruit at home, but thought you needed a big garden? What if I told you that you can grow lemons, apples, bananas, and even peaches right in small pots, on a balcony, rooftop, or tiny backyard? Many people think fruit trees need acres of land and years of work, but the truth is, lots of fruit trees actually grow better in containers. Pots let you control soil, water, and sunlight, making care easier and harvest bigger. Imagine picking a fresh lemon for tea, strawberries for breakfast, or a ripe guava, all grown by you, chemical-free, and without spending a fortune. Today, I'll show you 10 fruit trees that thrive in small spaces and give simple tips so even beginners can grow their own mini fruit garden. Let's jump in with the first tree, lemon. Number 1, lemon. Perfect beginner fruit tree, lemon is one of the easiest and most rewarding fruit trees you can grow in a pot. It adapts very well to container life and actually prefers controlled growing conditions. A medium-sized pot with good drainage holes is enough to support healthy growth. Choose a sunny location because lemon trees love at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Use well-draining soil mixed with compost and a little sand to prevent waterlogging. Water the plant when the top layer of soil feels dry, but avoid overwatering since citrus roots dislike standing water. Regular feeding with organic fertilizer every few weeks encourages strong flowering and fruit production. One big advantage of growing lemon in pots is mobility. You can move the plant during extreme heat or cold, protecting it easily. With proper care, a potted lemon tree can produce fruit multiple times a year, giving you fresh lemons right at home. Number 2, fig, low maintenance and highly productive. Fig trees are perfect for small spaces because they naturally grow well in containers. Unlike many fruit trees, figs tolerate limited root space, making them ideal for pots. They also require less maintenance compared to other fruits. Place your fig plant where it receives full sunlight for most of the day. Use rich soil mixed with compost to support steady growth. Fig trees prefer deep watering but not frequent watering. Allow the soil to slightly dry between watering sessions. One interesting benefit of container figs is size control. The pot naturally limits excessive growth, keeping the tree compact while still producing plenty of fruit. Pruning once or twice a year helps maintain shape and encourages new branches where fruits develop. Figs are known for their sweet taste and high nutrition. Even beginners can successfully grow figs and enjoy harvest within a relatively short number 3. Strawberry. Best fruit for small spaces. Strawberries are among the easiest fruits to grow in pots, hanging baskets, or small containers. They are perfect for balconies and rooftops because they don't need deep soil or large containers. Choose wide containers with good drainage and plant seedlings with enough spacing for airflow. Strawberries love sunlight but also appreciate slightly cool conditions. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Adding mulch on top helps retain moisture and keeps fruits clean. One advantage of strawberries is quick production. Many varieties start fruiting within a few months. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more berries. Because of their compact size, you can grow several strawberry plants in a small area, creating a continuous supply of fresh fruit. They are also excellent for beginners who want fast results and visible progress in gardening. Number 4, blueberry. Perfect for container growing, blueberries grow surprisingly well in pots because they require specific soil conditions that containers easily provide. These plants prefer acidic soil, which is easier to manage in a pot than in garden soil. Use a container filled with peat-based or acidic potting mix. Place the plant in a sunny location with gentle airflow. Blueberries need consistent moisture, so keep the soil slightly damp without overwatering. Another important tip is choosing dwarf or compact varieties designed for containers. These produce full-size fruits while staying manageable in size. Adding mulch helps maintain soil acidity and moisture balance. Blueberries not only produce delicious fruit, but also add beauty with their seasonal color changes. Growing them in pots allows you to control nutrients carefully, leading to healthier plants and better harvests even in limited spaces. Number 5. Apple dwarf trees for small gardens. Many people think apples require large orchards, but dwarf apple varieties are specially developed for container growing. These trees stay small while still producing real apples. Choose a large, sturdy pot in well-draining, fertile soil. Apples require full sun and good airflow to prevent disease. Water regularly, but ensure excess water drains easily. Pruning plays an important role in keeping the tree compact and productive. Remove weak or overcrowded branches to allow sunlight to reach all parts of the plant. Some apple varieties may need cross-pollination, so growing two compatible plants nearby improves fruit production. Container apples are perfect for patios or rooftops. With patience and seasonal care, even small-space gardeners can enjoy homegrown apples that taste fresher than store-bought fruit. Number 6. Guava. Fast-growing tropical fruit, guava trees adapt extremely well to pots and are known for fast growth and early fruiting. They tolerate warm climates and thrive in sunny locations, making them ideal for home gardeners. Use a large container with nutrient-rich soil mixed with compost. Guava plants enjoy regular watering but should never sit in waterlogged soil. Balanced fertilization every month helps boost flowering and fruit development. Pruning helps maintain manageable size and encourages branching, which increases fruit production. Guava trees are naturally hardy and resistant to many common plant problems, making them beginner-friendly. One of the biggest advantages is productivity. Even a small potted guava tree can produce many fruits each season. Fresh guava picked at home has stronger aroma and sweetness compared to market fruit. Number 7. Pomegranate. Compact and drought-tolerant, pomegranate trees are excellent for container gardening because they naturally grow as compact shrubs. They tolerate heat and mild drought, making them easy to maintain. Choose a sunny spot and plant in well-draining soil. Water deeply but allow the soil to dry slightly between watering sessions. Overwatering can reduce flowering. Pomegranate plants respond well to pruning, allowing you to shape them according to available space. Their bright flowers add ornamental beauty even before fruits appear. Container growing often improves fruit quality because stress from limited root space encourages flowering. With minimal care, pomegranates reward gardeners with colorful, nutrient-rich fruits that store well after harvest. Number 8. Peach. Small tree, big reward. Dwarf peach trees are perfect for pots and small gardens. They remain compact, yet produce full-size, juicy fruits when given proper care. Use a large container in nutrient-rich soil with excellent drainage. Peach trees need full sunlight and consistent watering during the growing season. Feeding with organic fertilizer during flowering supports fruit formation. Pruning is essential to maintain airflow and encourage new fruiting branches. Removing excess fruits early helps the remaining peaches grow larger and healthier. Growing peaches in containers also protects them from poor soil conditions. With patience and seasonal care, even urban gardeners can enjoy sweet, homegrown peaches straight from a small space. Number 9. Orange. Container citrus success. Orange trees grow beautifully in pots, especially dwarf citrus varieties. They require bright sunlight and warm conditions to produce sweet fruit. Plant in a well-draining citrus soil mix and use a pot with strong drainage holes. Water when the topsoil dries and feed regularly with citrus fertilizer for steady growth. One benefit of container oranges is easy seasonal protection. You can move the plant during harsh weather, preventing stress or damage. Occasional pruning keeps the plant compact and improves air circulation. Orange trees also add fragrance to your garden when flowering. With proper care, a potted orange tree can produce fruits year after year, making it both decorative and productive. Number 10. Banana. Tropical look in small spaces. Banana plants may look large, but dwarf varieties grow very well in containers. They create a tropical feel while producing real bananas in limited space. Choose a large pot and rich, moisture-retaining soil. Bananas love warmth, sunlight, and regular watering. Unlike many fruit trees, they are heavy feeders, so frequent fertilization supports rapid growth. Remove old leaves and extra shoots to direct energy toward fruit production. Banana plants grow quickly and under good conditions. They can produce fruit faster than many traditional trees. Even when not fruiting, banana plants add lush greenery and shade to balconies or patios. Growing bananas in pots proves that even tropical fruits can thrive in small spaces with the right care.